Good morning, students. Today we discuss about how to balance the chemical equations. Okay, so zinc plus silver nitrate give rise to zinc nitrate plus silver. Okay, so here for the name of the compounds are given. First, we should write the formulas. Okay, first one here zinc. So what is the formula for zinc? Simply Zn. Okay. Next is silver nitrate. So silver nitrate, silver formula Az and nitrate formula NO3. Okay. So now, but Az valency plus 1 or charge plus 1 and NO3 valency minus 1. By using crisscross method, the interchanging of the valency. So now Az1, NO3 also 1. So what is the formula for silver nitrate? AgNO3. AgNO3 is the formula for silver nitrate. Okay. Now zinc nitrate. Next formula zinc nitrate. So zinc formula Zn and nitrate formula NO3. The valency of zinc is equal to 2. The valency of nitrate is equal to 1. Now the interchanging of the valency. So Zn 1 and NO3 2. Okay. So Zn is equal to 1 only and NO3 is equal to 2. So simply NO3 twice. This is formula for zinc nitrate. So what is the formula for zinc nitrate? Zn NO3 twice. Twice indicates 2. Okay. Now last one is silver. Silver formula Az. Okay. Now zinc Zn, silver nitrate AgNO3 and zinc nitrate Zn NO3 twice plus silver Az. Now balance this chemical equation. Okay. Now balance this chemical equation. So first of all, draw the table. LHS, RHS and atom. So first of all, identify the atoms in this equation. Zinc, silver, N indicates nitrogen and O indicates oxygen atom. Okay. Zn indicates zinc and Az indicates silver and N indicates nitrogen and O indicates oxygen gas. Okay. Now in LHS, how many atoms? Zinc. The number of atoms for zinc is equal to 1. In RHS, the number of atoms for zinc is equal to 1. Okay, the number of atoms of silver. In LHS only 1. RHS also 1. So nitrogen atoms in LHS only N. So only 1. So the nitrogen atoms in RHS here twice means N is equal to 2. So 2 nitrogen atoms. And oxygen atoms in LHS O3 indicates 3 oxygen atoms. So here twice indicates 2, but 3 into 2 6. So oxygen atoms is equal to 6. This is unbalanced chemical equation because nitrogen atoms are not equal and oxygen atoms are not equal in this equation. So we should balance the equation now. Okay. Now simply take here 2 and here quotient also 2 take. That means here 2 nitrogen atoms. Okay, in LHS. Okay, silver atoms also 2. And oxygen atoms 2 into 3, 6. Now check RHS. Here zinc atoms only 1. Nitrogen atoms 2. Okay. And silver atoms 2. And oxygen atoms 3 into 2, 6. Now zinc atom same, silver atom same, nitrogen atom same, and oxygen atoms same. So this is a balanced chemical equation. In this question, the name of the compounds are given. First, we find the formulas for given compounds. Okay, magnesium. The formula for magnesium Mg, and iodine formula. So the formula for iodine is I2. So the formula for magnesium iodide MgI2. Okay. So now check the atoms. LHS, RHS, and atoms. Here only 2 atoms are there. Mg magnesium and iodine I. Okay. So in LHS magnesium atoms 1 and iodine atoms 2. In RHS magnesium atom 1 and iodine atoms 2. Okay. So in both LHS and RHS magnesium and iodine atoms are same. So this is also balanced chemical equation. Okay. Clear all of you? Okay students, now the next equation is calcium hydroxide, nitric acid, water and calcium nitrate. Here also some compounds are given. Okay, now write the formulas first. Okay, first one calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide formula, calcium Ca and OH indicates hydroxide. But calcium valency 2 and a hydroxide valency 1. Okay, now interchanging of the valency. So Ca1 OH2. So calcium hydroxide formula CaOH twice. And nitric acid, you know already formula. Nitric acid formula HNO3. This is formula for nitric acid or weak acid. And give rise to water. You know formula already. Water H2O. And calcium nitrate now. Calcium nitrate formula calcium Ca and nitrate NO3. But the valency of calcium 2 and the valency of nitrate is 1. Again the interchanging of the valency. Okay. So Ca1 NO3 2. So calcium nitrate formula Ca NO3 twice. Clear? The interchanging of the valency. Okay, now so now this is unbalanced chemical equation. Okay, first draw the table. Okay, students. So the atom, what are the atoms here? Calcium, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Clear? Now count the atoms in both LHS and RHS. So calcium only one atom in LHS and RHS also only one atom. Now count the oxygen atoms. Oxygen 2 atoms plus 3 atoms. So 2 plus 3, 5 atoms. Okay. In RHS 1 oxygen and 3 into 2, 6 oxygens. So 6 plus 1, 7. Now count the hydrogen atoms. Here 2 and 1, 3 atoms. Here 2, only 2 atoms. Now count the nitrogen atoms. Here 1 Here N are 2. So LHS 1, RHS 2. So here unbalanced equation. Calcium atoms same, but oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen are unbalanced. So balance the oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen atoms now. So now take the coefficient of HNO3 2 and take the coefficient of H2O 2. Now count the atoms in both LHS and RHS. So calcium 1, RHS 1. Okay. Now oxygen atoms 2 and 2 into 3 6. So 6 plus 2. So total number of atoms 8 oxygen atoms. In RHS 2 oxygen atoms 3 into 2 6 oxygen atoms. So 6 plus 2 8. So oxygen atoms also balanced. Now count the hydrogen atoms. Here 2, here 2. 2 plus 2 4. Here 2 into 2 4. Okay, hydrogen atoms also balanced. Now count the nitrogen atoms. Here 2 nitrogen atoms. Here 2 nitrogen atoms. So nitrogen atoms also balanced. So this is balanced chemical equation.